this tech Rob, and let's go ahead and go over again the importance of your brakes. This right here is unacceptable. How far is too much? Well, this is a perfect example of what happens when you ignore brake noises. As you can see, there's no brake pad material left. How does it affect you as a driver? Well, first of all, you want to make sure your vehicle is able to stop, especially if you're driving something this big. So when it comes down to safety, brakes is on top of the list. And let's go ahead and show you what a new rotor